trying to figure how I could retire happy, wild, and free. Especially the free part.
Show them the book.
Oh,
Yeah.
Where you got your idea from.
this is what I would really want to do. Especially the wild part. And free is even better yet.
Mom, any comments about that book and Dad's retirement?
He's already living it. He just doesn't know it.
Charlie, what are your plans for retirement?
65, I got it all worked out. We'll talk about it on the plane.
Oh, I can't wait. We're not, but the problem is we're not on the plane together.
Oh, I guess I'll be talking to myself. I'll call you.
Oh, you'll text me what your plan is.
I'll text you.
This has been our life for the last 3 years. Text and call.
That's a riot.
And out the end.
60, well, how many more years is that then, Charlie?
What's that?
65. How many more years?
5 years.
We got 5 years.
Don't you want to wait till you're 62 and a half so you can start Medicare?
No, you're 65.
65 for Medicare. What else?
That's it. And then I don't start drawing Social Security until 66 and a half.
Take a picture of these beautiful daffodils, Charlie, for me.
That's her birthday. That was her birthday.
We won't be able to send it.
Her birthday present. Yeah, I know. I already learned that
Yeah,
because when I tried to send it on Mom's
Here we
iPad.
go.
It's been a great vacation.
Been beautiful.
I'm going to turn it around on myself. Hello. I don't know if you can see me, but we've had a great time,
Oh, that's good, Beth.
and we wish we didn't have to leave, but I guess we do.
Yeah.
That's all, folks.